guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Esa dokpa idugbonu we gbe na ugbona we ka gbe ta dokpa yi ugbona ari agwari ade na wa gbe na ni je se ni wa gbe na ugbona ari agwari ade na amu ewori a I wa we o edward na we ate pepe demo eku egele mu edward ye word eku emu e una bi agbe wiku pepe den don we a pepe dekwegi mue we awe na pepe ma dekwegi mue we no kion da fun re go be that pepe den o ina wa o sawo go edward we no asawo a lot nu gele kini u go le kan o menwa be na pe wani pepe do we MC do yo be no do ki e da fun we na idagbo la do mu ki e la din e ki egbe we fun ona go be ti pepe den mo e ki o da fun we aga re na Deti ya we mi ya ga kia det ni Ebagua we na sisu wa ba nu wa gbelegbe igo wi edonu nu gwa da kun we oboni no risu wa na wa ma gi ya wu na wa mu ko ro wo doria wa mu ko ro wo doria te det ni Ebagua me ki set is egbe nu wa nu da mu ko ro wo doria deri ya we ya de ko va me ma de ya de ko va de ya de ko ya de obe destiny de city court we ade barikoni eyan wonu wa no wo kan we awi wo kan we a lot nu fi wa na ni da si boje gbonisan e we de ya ka mu ado amu ko ri ade sini yi aku enu abi ko no ka fi oni salada on social media ma ku le ya la wa amagwe okay abe e ma no ka fi oni salada ni ka gbe ni ya Nia karo mi social media na iya mego nu da we na mego ni wa kin agu wagun destiny jo wa ke media jo wa ke meka Edward no mama na agbinwe na no ye bla bla pride Edward no zuwa no zunda no gbe na o mwesta ya won bo e maka mi gbona bo besa de e sa dopa e maka mi gbona obo de wa miesta o aru wiku oguo ba won gbodo nu ju ariye na niyan o ma gwewe no please we ugu ya azio boyo ni sokwo esta we na le mo no wine if you we ga awo na deke usaka me we wonu awe kesta eta dopa wonu awe kia una mwenwa fua we garu lele word ruwiku uye buze o wa gwe we no ro e ko awonu da gbobo ni sokwo ru wa we star e dokpa yi we no bi yokori onwo e star dokpa yi ga mi gbe agere wa fi le gba bi uwe yegbu uwe jo ka ma gbogwe e a lot we ga ki o se no ma se ti jowo dokpa ya uwe da moza no pe ani we gi master we gi ma gbo we ma igbe agakun irenuwa le mana ka ni yana ka buwa go ke ni ade ya o ti yan suwa popo imewu ndan ana hello je ko ye logi imege wa ki unade Emege ave sta dokpa yi wa gugu na because sta dokpa yi destiny Ebagua secret court no ade babiko ejuminite no ade babiko na ade ari mu ko no rogodo na ado ya mu yari makakule makwa wi social media kage ni ade ni Ebagua wi social media ude mo no wade je siri rifi o rifi gbi agia odo ka mi mawe aloti o ko ni efi wa aloti ya ni o te ni makago wodo ka o iya magbo pogeva iya magbo poge a Ete sini doka ma wuko ni eve wa ya lot yan ya agwena ya agiya magbon ya ya get word nu da ma gbon ya get side to pa imaka e che bonesta because imaka mi gbon na boy there e kia ona we kia a ona won do e sta mu wan fo ana Edward nu da na no ka do create destiny with social media ona asi won pa de pepe den o we ka do kun da fun we ka do mo da fun we gboto we ka do mu ge wa we gboto don we se pepe dan na ma ye don no so pepe dan na don no so ni ma pepe den don no so ni ma ah we ne ma me guyi we ne ma malake ne ma I ka gun ya gbon we dero e just na ti won we drop video ina drop e ona de gbedo we ona de gbedo wo odo amuko no rogo doria do kian we wo wa e wini ya ria re na ya eviku no ba no bo selete ye we no mo selete ye we ya mo ipe we Edward ja ye we o ye we no pa last one ni aka wu Edward na asi obo yu ni so ku ni ona enwede ele bia bene monica ato areta ile bobo eyan na wu eyan oni adori eyan oni adu mo agbon ria iyan ku eniyan imaguni ya lu riyan igo ni da mi bi edo we bo igo ni ma so fayi igo ni da mi bi edo we bo no ya gbe na apo ni sere yin ya to po sogo ya na ya si bi ma ni agbe egbe dati de Ebagua wa so what's when we do destiny what da mu je to gboto o wa go gbe destiny Ebagua o go asungu we igu when my ikele social media I cannot ask you money men no my go ama we man go no we go ni no e man no we go ni on here go do we go destiny Ebagua e man no we go ni o here do go we da mu ye do gboto o ye do na chawo kamuri ane na ona dollar yi eri man la jana stop you ma traffico but go job secular they not stop it be aja who will give you go for when o me na destiny Ebagua who da fia ni da get party mama destiny you are so stupid o go we ni o go we ni destiny eminema ya deeply mama oma awo okawe wejero ona de gbe adedo we owe Edward no one na ga so pepe den we no Edward investor we he Esther is laboring for you investor we all labor nu but now o no we kia
Daddy laho
okawe wejero destiny that o we na age no yin asun destiny dey man ke magun a nuna jigo ni ya ari ba ni ukele social media me tie we denu rigo me ono se ni na opportunity inne ma go ona mo opportunity ni agse ti gwe magun social media la destiny ni ala se ti gwe magun wo eto destiny ogun ya gbo wa so what am you doria ede ya won yo ko fada ada abani ya wa street destiny a aguni ada agbobo yo ko okuni wiyan ni sa destiny a agbe ebere o ta ko bezugo popo o mewu dan ki destiny ma wu dan ki
la ho
gba ja suwon ina wo te la koko zo we koko ola koko na avie proof go imewu dan ki wo mu ko na ria o nu me sari ayi mabo e so no si won ri ni ma no ta viere o no wekia esa me gbonu ayi we se wa o we ask we 30 gwa emeni ya we ask 100 but emi ni me wo wa ewu na wa must to buy wo bo me wa must to buy wa must to buy wa so wa don't figure there give you do le we wo no ya po ni sabe UK we ya do po zo go wa we ya vi kebe la dem social media le ma da ri kebe agwa boa destiny wa so de ba go we ni wa ho wa block page me iko wa block na so na so won de gbe ga ku wa be Edward nu dana Edward ne le bobo na no mo start ya ma bo e mi na ma me best start ati me na you get the next person not me hello
Hello.
Eh?
Epa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
No, they cause destiny like that now, beg.
Ah, but if you know what one is to cut this food. If you know what one is to cut this food, wait until they spoil our tradition. If they spoil our tradition, if they spoil the young ones, where they come, he said because he get money. He can useless money gets. Who can useless money destiny gets? Oh, what destiny back one so what? But with tradition and to the one of you do with he would have he was sorry.
No, they cause the man like that. He no good, the pa. He no good. No, they cause her like that.
Who go come up with the park come out and they wait for them? I be new generation. Where our papa stop human traffic because of all those achawo. God the robber said he stop achawo for somebody. Destiny married 2 wives now. He go the breast like they go they take touch their selfish shoulder.
I life now. It cannot be your life. Now,
Hey, bye bye. Live here. Live here. Live here. I don't need that. Now life he go do one for his house. If now life he go do one for his house, not to come and corrupt our people. Where would they the quarrel for this social media where they did the open break where they take where would they do I see the time when they beat his yegbe a cat queen where they naked one are not tossing our life. One are not tossing our life. Because it does it don't get money, it don't take our people money in our life. Oh go waya. Oh waya so what just with destiny if you man on dog and with la jan. Even me would why una what pine. Do what if you go away. If you are way, but here more I did that, but when you are, where are you with destiny Ebagua? A woman where ye now, or ye my way are lot in Yahi, or say no master can do what doja. Edward, you know, done and also. A boy that's with Pepeden. Ugo Koniwa, where when I saw Pepeden. Where was where's one? Edward, where's the one where you cool? Where's the one where you cool, Edward? Yeah, even what? A Monica, why me dare? In our say Monica, in our be Monica that we my way talk with why me dare. Why you getting what wow, no sorry. Why my way to Monica, why me dare? It wait us to work, Popo. Ekin we ga le ku dodo wo wa ni yan anyan we nu una amuni apisho ni adom gu me kawe la jan umami ku do le do ni una wa so avie yon guest la jan ni da afi kebele ikebe venu ga we wo wa ni vie na so la vian wo black be ni yen e we na wonu we da yi vie do we na agbaboa destiny onyo sie wa na wa we ni dia count le rie ni wa because here is a ti gu wa gwa je ni only gu wa gwa. I can talk to you people the way I want to talk to you people. Honestly, anybody I win in their country, I don't give them accounts. It's a thing Google when you only have Google while we down. It can't go better on. Una chimuna when you drop a video and I respect you. Una the way the way. Eh, Edward, you know that say Pepe dog bedward, you know, one. No matter if you walk out, yeah. No matter if you walk out, yeah. When milk, oh, when you are what I see one of cocoa and I do not take Pepe, one another new way, and one you, Edward. Umwestaria, Estana Macamia, me down, Umweria, you my boy. Estana Doya, you, Umweria, you my boy. No doubt of your own, we can't on door. No doubt of your own, we can't on door. Make kind with me, destiny now, on my dano. Esther. All women are all. Or say Magwan. Over there, you know, they love you, we love you blind. He love you blind. Oh, blood that way, star. He love you, blood that way, star. He love you, blood that way. Oh, when you were, you go ahead, I with pepper down. Pepper down. If you know, you know, why I start winning the coup. That force, eh? You know that say well, it doesn't with before you keep it. That's what bed wow. What so you come up pony or pony or walking wet. Bueno, walking wet bobo you keep that what done. I walk out for pununi. I walk out what bed wow that's in Ebagua. What so una come up pony wa or pony or walking wet. Owo ku we okuni wa owo no owo kan gbobo ikebo okuni awa bia gweje tini wa tungu irenwe ona e ti do pa wo ri e ni me mi wa mi e mi ale wa gbe nana Any kafio ki many ya living akon even me when why you na wanya go wa if ya usaka we if you bo we iya ma we we yan we awe na imagine where you go where tik bovo where you go where set the media do na akpo ni sawe lo don pe yawo ni san iya ikpo ni safune iya irigo nu we ya do po soro we ya reti ku no wo we kan azu network kan azu boyo nu san udo ya di agba peju a destiny Ebagua wa su agba peju a ire nu ene eman where you go geni when you feel like wo wa kan eman where you go geni when you feel like wo wa kan uye domina I'm ready to fight uye domina ine mi dan favor wo and stop human trafficking. Then ekin we doke we go na black melik warima una black melik warima destiny Ebagua ge kinu dose nu ewe nu we do ayi gesi e gesi no ni bia kan Edward no 53 years Edward no also 53 years. Hello hello eh I did live video. Hello? Talk to me. Abeg, bye-bye. 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 Let me mess up with myself. I get what I quarrel with her. Let me mess up with myself. That's in the tell you defeat me before. Or you get one good way to do for me. No. Bye-bye. Oh, no. Tomorrow you'll come now and say, Benin people, they disgrace yourself. Benin people, they disgrace yourself. You see the disgrace where Benin man, because he get money now, where they give us. You know, great talk for this one now. Tomorrow you'll come and say, Benin people, they disgrace yourself. Benin people, they disgrace yourself. A married women, where they put money for her, therefore, a do tradition. Now they go, they carry. When they go, they knock woman for nyash. How many times your husband don't carry you, say me go to slap another woman for nyash? We naked. You will want to talk to me so. You will want to talk to me, they say na birthday, do it, they enjoy yourself. How many times your husband don't carry you? Say woman like you may go to knock her for nyash. Make the woman like you call they take breast, they rub your breast. You know how to talk, madam. You know how to, not let me come talk, I beg. Leave me alone. Go where you want for, go insult me, madam. Igbo people, they do what they do. They do it for secrets. Outside they do what they do it for secrets. Yoruba, they do what they do it for secrets. Oyibo, they do what they do. That's why you see them for 3 o'clock in the midnight. Though they do blue film. Yeah, where 3 o'clock in midnight. And yeah, where not be destiny, you say because he don't get money, nobody will talk to them. You go call the useless the women when he marry. All useless here. It make us know say they be a shower. It knows us make us know say it will not be able to wake me in the work me in there. Any you will not take it to water ya. You will do for now. Have a second hand with you now. And when I will tell where you with fast destiny. Ah, what bed you are. It not a be me. It be national boy. It a be buade. It not a be me we uvipo la dia. Na wa ku we da lele. Ni da mu kebio bo we kebio ko. Ibuade. Itali nyane ya nyane rita wo ba gbe ni comment ogun ogba titi wo ba gbe ni comment ogun ogbera titi ogun ogbuya titi wo ba gbe na gbaje gbe wo wa o atiti na fu gba tun wa gbe na gba gbe no gbaje gbe wo wa but wetin I no need if you no stop am anytime when I see am I go do 7 video for it. I don't say me no enjoy money. I know the jealousy. But our children, when they come, if something they come, you not stop the thing. If the thing don't zagada for, if you don't get shot down, you know if you stop the thing again. If something they come, you not stop immediately. If the thing don't get fed down, you know if you stop them again. Destiny one can spoil our women waiting for husband house with the 2 wives. With the 2 wives, these 2 second-hand wives, we don't born say bon to wait for other man happy things say married to wife. So he married to wife. Ekwemu we destiny. Ekwemu we. Ave second hand with yokiana. Nu te opada go asi wan wo. Why you go pa koko no pa? O bo Edward. Edward iku wan ya koko star. Even na me o best there. Even na me o best there. Edward yi ya we. Esa igbobo yo kobo ni unisan. Nesta ke yiku. Imani wa omuri san bape. Okuni wa edomu kebe koi. All Edward the lad that boy na lad that me down best I talk pa yana so me down boy. Edward no so nguna. Edward no so nguna. Oh that say Pepe then don't we Pepe. E Monica to look yan Pepe. E na we ni Monica to ari na gbo e. No na gbo yan ma we e mi dana gbo destiny bo. E na we mi dana o la koko na gbo e. Imagine me down for a wall, and me down. We don't give me a menania. Maybe I didn't wear. They want to have your it want to be 200 runa. When you are large and war, I see a dance you. Even me wouldn't wear una, if you wo. Do what we're ban, do what I wear, Pania. Woga will not have born Munabi Kuni KB. You know, you born if you take on the rubber those women, you not consign me. Don't be woman where you pull money for their heads. Woman where they wash their hand, wash their leg. Or you are your money be a kebe wiku. Or are you bob? How do people show you? I do festival. Edo festival. We are going to Edo festival. What do you have to give you Edo view? What do you have to give you Edo view? Destiny Ebagua. Wa sungu. Since we're young we to we are way, you must stop this nonsense. Because I know what I'm talking. If you have to be here to walk in your way, it's not this beneath people's hand. It go change to another thing. It's not this beneath people's hand. It go change to another thing. Before you start waiting will not feel stop again for rest. Will not feel stop again. I need to come out immediately. I need to come out immediately. Destiny. Of your gwega you go nya. Of your gwega you other fega you go nya. Of your gwega you go nya. Irene destiny, Irene. You must stop this bad attitude to bring your wife to the show. When you are a madman. You are just a walking destiny Ebagua. You are a coward. But who were just good as in Ebagua? Many didn't treat him in once away. Abakobe, Abema, talk of me. But I will tell you the truth. When it now, a man, no real traditional man, in a bobo, Atiti. Aba shagona no timena, I can do bobo na your money, na your birthday. A real man in a those states, when you have a if I talk to other people. Real men, they go to clap and say, now truth is the talk. Now as they talk to you and your wife, so with two wives for you married, now so all those men go see the clap hand. Say Atiti, now truth is the talk. Now all of these condemn women for society. Now I go clap and say, Atiti they do bad thing. What soon with destiny? Destiny gets one. I mean, equally your body. I know the fire upon your hand where I want to eat tomorrow. I know the fire upon your hand. Now people with the fire upon your hand, now I know if we talk to you, Destiny Ebagua. Now truth I tell you. Anytime when you do this rubbish, I'll come do 7 videos for your head. If the rest people not talk, I go they talk put. Because it's something always been here. With the quarrel with our women, the way that they useless our men today. You want to bring another psychiatric. Say because you enjoy, you do birthday, you enjoy, you do birthday, because they do waiting not there for even with Bible self, you know there for inside Bible, you know there for a do introduction. Now this one I they enjoy. Destiny Ebagua. Now this one I be enjoyment. It make you a lunatic. It make you a fool in the society. If you can carry your two wife, go to party when you are a woman like them when you are it make you a lunatic. It make you a stupid man. Destiny Ebagua. I'm telling you the truth. If the people that go to school cannot tell you the truth, me in the I will tell you the truth. You are a foolish man, Destiny Ebagua. What so? Yamoshi, Yajaka, man, you will cut this in mirror, but I got so one. I know what Mr. Man. You might get money, but the Koro in Benin, I might know the Koro more than you. But I must tell my people the truth. I'm fighting for truth. Eva tamek binaji me madok binan we do rigo ni me eva setiti we bana we rigo ri ale latiti ko eva setiti do le me compania na no make na dige ba gian but me ye bog be we na me kere social media we e make binana with social media na you me the fight for this social media I never collect I collect anything for you no. But fight when me don't fight for you for this social media. People they will never fight that fight with them collect money for your hand. Is to tell the world I'm not doing anything that I'm doing because of money. That is not the truth. You wait they look me now. You say Atiti they fool myself. Let me fool myself. I fool myself for the community to be good. It's my bond. I will be a fool. The community go swear for my hands. I don't want anybody to be my friend when I'm saying the truth. People that say truth, they don't have friend. They have an enemy around the globe. They have an enemy around the globe. Now, what I don't like with this. Now, what I don't like is we go to carry women. Women when you put for us when you marry. Yeah, we go to teach us the 30, they teach us wayward life. That thing we're supposed to teach us good life. Is they teach us wayward life. A wayward life. The kind of life when you follow a shall live before you come marry. Neither in what could they introduce to us. Neither in what could they introduce to us. The kind of life we cut the blackmail I shall go they look their quickos. Now one can use two wives when you marry can they introduce for us. Go they carry woman. They go they take breast. His wife Edward way stupid. Go they take breast. They rub the other woman breast. Now that kind of life. Now they want to teach us something. A role model where everybody depends. We depend on them. Now what is they want to teach us with that? Say they do birthday. Who can you get birthday? Now today they not there to do birthday. If someone they do birthday, now don't say for this type of rubbish. You know, don't say for this type of rubbish. Mona they say the truth. Anytime when they do one, I'll come. I'm not be the person where they give bribe. We not the feed they talk on. They say they call anybody who want to give them money. Even though they talk to me, I know they answer them, but now you I go face. All the old people where they talk to you, now me they drive, they come out for your body. Now me they tell you now, say what you they do now, not like can you go stop her by force. I cannot go, you come with we. Now truth I they tell you. If you say you with a copy, they play well, or you with the doomers, they do the play, they will call you for corner, say this thing way they do so no good. They will call you now because of the secret court where you go join for Lagos. Where they marry 5 women like the two-face. Where all of the like they marry 7 women. Now go they use una woman they do any year because no money for the poor they come out. No money they come out where people don't know. Me want to tell people now. If you not give chance for this kind of for nonsense. You have to know it. Because me ga we me so kuse but the man want down even you ga give away. Who baba do no man can spoil Esther career. Why do best career? If you see and when Esther go there for Esther down, fear go there for a body because of you know they care. Esther we have you boy you know ba me care. We have this grace boy ba me care. If you went up na do we do na star. He get one footballer. One show na one footballer. Waiting mama thief. The boy now casted for England 2009. Now waiting mama do now the boy now stop him mama career for food. Now stop that boy football. You can't shame if they play ball for self, you go to shame. Now waiting mama do down one show na the footballer. Una go find and go down. Okay, more can I read this thing? More can I read down? No. One can I go to my phone? One can I go my phone when I read down? Now what did mama do down? You get the opportunity today now. You dey bring your child up. For the good sake, for the good legacy where you go lay down, where your child will be governor tomorrow. Wait till they do so, though, because I explain and come on. Wait till this footballer. Now, person wait till the year in for the whole world. Crafty. England crafty. Mama fait the thief Maggie. Mama fait the thief Maggie. Mama fait the thief Maggie. Wait, don't thief Maggie, they no. Lord of say the cockara come out for newspaper. As the boy see mama for newspaper. If they want go play match the next day, no go now taste stop football. Shame come the cash on. Una think say what they do, so now they do. Why I break up for now? Mona go round. That thing they know how to read. Go round. If you see this matter now, if I say, as I show you now, it be like say you get sense, you go stop the nonsense. Anything when they do, the man is the way I tell the shot. If my children grow come, they will not say now the truth I tell you now. They will not say now the truth I tell you now. Mona look at, Mona read down. Mona read down. Mona read down, Mona go down. Mona no wait to kill this boy. We will not make this boy career for England. Gods of waiting mama do down. Or waiting mama they do. I'll make career boy now, England. Make una read the name where they Mona go down, Mona go read and finish. Mona go read and finish. Una say, because of this nonsense where they take Esther, they do so, Edward. Because of the people don't know see the try for good. Because of the evil when you enter your body, so when you want to spoil everything. Your son might grow up to grow, make one go governor. They'll come and upload this video. They'll come and upload this video. You can live your, you can happy. Nobody say you're not happy with your life. But when of your son grow come, that son where do what they carry they go. He can't see mama when he can't grow. You think he will be happy with you? There's their father. He go say, if father did the way more that they misbehave. That's in a way more where. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? My son, they will grow to the only way they say they curse at the curse. Now the way I think they advise you now. Now the way I think they advise you now, more than they get sense. I just show now one thing. I'm gonna go round for. Mona go round. Mona go round. This one when I show now. So now waiting mama do. The boy get tough match. For the next day, they want play final for World Cup. When he hear say the dog carry mama come out, say mama, he go to for some markets. And if they tell him mama not do this thing again. The dog catch her. Now the carry come out for newspaper. In they for camp like this, where they tell and say. They go show a newspaper. Now they you not play that ball past there. Now they stop that ball today. Now one go round. Wa go wage now the boy be this. Una see now so it is stop ball. So me they talk to now today now. That's thing as I talk to you today. Your pikin go grow come. Make time go reach. This video no will come up for internet. He go say Prophet Atiti was only see the man shouting. He was telling my father the truth. He was telling my mother the truth. Now so your pikin go tell you. You are a coward. You should assume good destiny. As you talk and say you want to go do it for Mama Bridge. Mama Bridge. Now so me see talk and say anytime when you come out, I come out. Now so me see talk and say anytime when you bring your wife, make they call you touch another woman nyash. Now so me see talk and dance I will come out. Share the video, let the video go viral. Oh, what be that in Ebagua? Also, who no more warrior. He destroy the community. He destroy the society. Pack every musician come back with you. Make the come they take me, they sing me, they cost me, no problem. Pack How can everybody wait this social media come at me, they call it cost me, they call it cost me. But I must tell my people the truth. This will not be trained. They say train up a child the way the child will grow up. Many people are watching you. Not be say you want to train us for better thing. Not be say you want to lead us for better thing. Mo will call the okay. You say mo will call the married to two wives now. Mo they carry them, make they go the two come for another woman. Yeah. Women not agree with the marriage journey. Okay, you will get the opportunity to marry two women. Now we go show us good things that's in Ebagua. Now to the carry your wife, make they go the two come for each other. Yeah. Now that's when you want conditions. More people, man, are reason aware now. Women not agree with the marriage journey. If you want marry join them, now cool. You know, not say the time where Edward no agree. Now because they cost the money, they come. Esther na printing machine, I can't agree. Esther na printing machine, I can't agree. Now Esther money they pay Esther money. You know the shame Edward. We move where? We move where? Waga second destiny je waga second oje. Mon lad yan. But as he talk and say. In go do one. Now so me see talk and say, if he come out, I go come out. Now so me see talk and when we nya eri me be nya ho we. Edward know they singer yesterday pepper then. Now you can't sell your husband for destiny for this for Monica. Now Monica you want to say me they come pepper. You will carry your husband matter because say you want marry Esther join you. Wait just say money don't come now. Now you want to say now Monica is going to sing it pepper Monica. Monica di. E Monica wa ladi. And anybody know attacking Monica? All day my own. Because Edward, now you carry destiny matter go meet the destiny. So you know if you call the pepper Monica, and I mean Monica quiet. Because now you carry hey Monica come out and go just come out all boy de. Anybody know where women want also where Monica pepper Monica. Hey you hear destiny Monica no not pepper Monica. If you don't know, we go make a video now. It tire your turning. We have to show our people good thing. Okay, all these women where they open breast for social media, where would they quarrel with them? Una the same. Where would they quarrel with them? Will cause their mama, cause their papa. Because they not get money now. We won't leave them. Because say you get money, you want to spoil our people, destiny, Ebagua. They say we will not talk to you, say they do birthday. Now you start to do birthday. We need to know do birthday. Some of the never do birthday where Alicota go to dance for. Alicota, I don't see dance. I don't go in summer birthday when I do for Nigeria. Alicota they dance. Alicota they make yangan. Alicota they make yangan. You know go they carry two women, may go bring your wife come out for his house. May wife they call they take woman with woman call they take breast the rub body. We need to know do some not do am. You know go they bring wife come and say my wife call they knock another woman for nyashu. You go to when there's in money they shock you. Oh, can you say boy you go grandma go all you go ni? Pikin wey God give money, you know if you use am well. It don't happen to many people. Wetin go happen to now? He will bo. Okay, that joke barrier, okay barrier una go. I know they jealous you. Now wetin you go carry two wife? Take the do. Now me the quarrel with you for. Now wait till they take two wives where you marry. Now wait till they quarrel put women not agree with the marriage journey. Two wives we marry now you spoil them. You think I they spoil our Benin women. You think I they spoil our TGD women. Una say why not talk. Una wait destiny they give money now no fit talk. But for me, I don't do for this social media. If that anybody will tell me say when I bring my account, I know they give them my account. I know they give them my account. They'll fit testify. Because what when I can't do for my adult people, when I just they look me as I just they be so picky will not go school any trade. Now the time when I'll tell no me finish now, I'll tell no say now this man are real, no be fake. So that's in Ebagua. Just in Ebagua, wa balayin, wa sungu. come dey disgrace, come dey show our people. You want come dey show tomorrow night. If women not fit stay for husband house, they on your hand with Esther, Edward there for learner. Those kind of woman you marry, women wey don with second hand before you come marry. Na so they think they marry. There's in Ebagua. Woman wey don born for 4 men, 3 men, now you dey talk say you marry. Now because of money, now you marry Esther. You want to call the tell you now because of money. If Esther not get money, you don't marry her. If Esther not the sick, you not go marry her. You dey use Esther to feed that word. One call the tell you. You do marriage, this way you do marriage. This way you do marriage. Back moment they go all destiny. This way you do 2 wife marriage. You not get peace. And even now we bet destiny Ebagua. Now short video I can't drop. I dey come tomorrow if I come for work. I dey come tomorrow if I come for work. Except when I stop this nonsense. Igbo they do this thing with it, they do so. If they want to follow their wife, they'll come up camera for them. If now you the woman they follow the dance, now not get problem, now not come talk. No be see you say me your wife where you wash your hand, wash your leg. The day where they put money for their head. Or can't be wash their hand, wash their leg. Now they go they knock a shower for nyash now. Ministry they tell us say your wife, the 2 wives we married, they be a shower. If we still go look at, we go look at, and if we go look at, read the map where they be a shower. Woman wait up for 3 men, 4 men. Where you put for us or 2 men. Now shower now, and you go to carry a shower, come they meet them, a shower, come they follow them, they dance. You need to be ashamed of yourself, destiny Ebagua. Do me say don't go do this one now. Do me say don't go do this one or Akobe go do this one. You don't ever see. You see, I dey praise Akobe for one side though. If not be asked where Akobe be that, nobody know his wife for face. Nobody know his wife. All those are the traditional men. Nobody know his wife for face. In a read warrior, the work where they left for Ashawo and with the blackmail Ashawo destiny Ebagua, where they think they open to do for him. You know, see Ashawo wait for Europe where they open left for him again. Now to go they carry all those our guests now because of the small money we get. We call it all those our women where they wash hands for London, we go they spray for them for dance. Their money now they go they carry go they spray for all those Ashawo where they open hands for a wife like this. It is when they open hands for a wife like this, it is spray for the hands. Now the people who na come the way they go na dance. If you na come, their money now they use to say na your money. Now your money. They can't spray for you for that. We go take and go to spray for woman yansh. But they say that people will come to spray for you dance. When they go wash on your bone yansh for London, they'll come to spray for you. We go to the spray for Ashawo yansh. Meaning say they not get sense. If they get sense, anytime when you come again, they're not supposed to call your dance again. Wagamwe yaria. If you analyze my yes, analyze we are Riku, Esther, it can't be Kuni. Any yanni kahuni. We are Riku, can't be Kuni. Why women no? New generation prophet Atiti. Omono Temata Nedo. Only the picking with the torture for the Messiah of Facebook. Even your body gualo bojo we boy destiny. Usa asegile oguju I have no help. Ya ye me we be kuwe dene na ka even spray for you little that have you fino dey only finwe. Ima only finwe. I total agani totally. Ipa bare because we me agwane. Agwa popo wene. Ohun we mu yo hun, we pay tradition. Meaning say tradition we pay. Iwe yin akun igo. Meaning say fake marriage when I go to we go yin now. Meaning say fake marriage when I went to we go yin. When me na mu go yo kan iwe ti go ipo megbe imu ariku oya agbobo yo ku nisan oya aye nwe ya nyopo we nwe. They want to feel like they know the when I allowed the young, they want to bribe in any bribe and believe. I'm proud of myself. Also, I should good luck with you. Don't make up one of I don't feel going to talk to you the way I tell you the truth. So that's why your mind, okay, you go about one logo. It is hard. Because the day we do something, I feel telling the truth. That is me for you. That's in Ebagua. Wow, so good. Una bueno, oh, but for your cable, una bueno, Emma when you take one. Oh, so good. That's in Ebagua. We are coming when we go your own. Bueno, bobo, you are KB. You are nonsense the fool. You are stupid the fool. You are capability the fool. They will not gbena. Wagme. Ni block you where you are. Agua bera wabijua. Ose ne wuwa na mamana. Ashawo dan. Bi agalogo nu egin. Mabe. Ah o abagbon. Gbene ogbo e. Dan. No ma get wo dey. Edward they 53 years old. Edward is the star or the destiny. Because a kid don't know where we go can let Bobo know where we go can or no more dark best star Yania. Star a destiny is first star way never star you. Destiny back what the first star they do what you know they mind. Because they want place Edward. If you not please and the house go scatter, core go come. Igbinade, Igbinani ayide. Zaga ni ayere. Adamu ekwa ewajina. If then you carry not the heavy ewajina, zaga ni mebege ene without all ye day. Why you let's bobo place eh? No je boy boke, no je boy ko we kebe. Wa blend the egg in Edward in here. We blend yan yen set is egbe aye we onwe una ni mama en onwe e gos Edward na le bobo no onwe blended tag na we blended na yen set is egbe aye then after we okwefa we na e mama wetin la le gbowe e we onwe una destiny but ya we wo muna go dey do for sana bedroom you can't spoil our women waiting for outside. For this 2 video when I don't do, I know so no one can spoil our people. I know so no one can spoil our people. I don't give you a chance when I take spoil them. Now, lady, I shall wanna go support you now, like the mama boy. They go support you now. They go support you now. But me, we don't pass 45, 46, 47 as an adult man. As I know, poor when I be, if I see the truth, I can't tell you now. It's the time of what, anyway, I'm what destiny. I what bear our destiny. I won't yet here, but a destiny so to me. A destiny so to me. A destiny so to me. No, what I won't yet here. Oh, what better than Ebagua? Oh, Ebagua like me. Oh, what about you take where I did was that way. You can't hear your religion where I did.